Embarking on a journey toward a plant-powered lifestyle? Welcome to the vibrant world of the vegan diet, a tapestry of delicious, cruelty-free choices that nourish your body and the planet. Ever pondered the magic of plant-based living? Whether you're motivated by health, ethics, or the environment, this guide is your compass into the realms of veganism. Join us as we unravel the secrets, dispel myths, and empower you to embark on a culinary adventure that transcends boundaries. From wholesome recipes to navigating social situations, let's dive into the enriching tapestry of the vegan diet for beginners. Ready to explore? Let the plant-powered odyssey begin. Make sure to stay until the end to find out the true verdict, and remember, at Beyond Living, we provide the best information and actionable and functional instructionals for all facets of healthy living, vitality, and fitness. Also, check out the awesome products that are running exclusive, limited-time deals just for our viewers here at Beyond Living in the description and in the top pinned comments that we recommend for all our viewers for vitality, healthy living, and fitness. Like, comment, and subscribe as it greatly helps the channel. So, what is a vegan diet? Let's find out. Venturing into the heart of the vegan lifestyle, let's demystify what it truly means to embrace a plant-based diet. Imagine a culinary canvas where fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds take center stage, a symphony of flavors, colors, and textures awaiting your exploration. Picture this. A vegan diet goes beyond mere exclusion. It's a celebration of abundance and diversity. It's about choosing foods that honor your health, the planet, and our furry friends. Ever pondered the idea of a diet that not only nourishes your body but also aligns with your ethical beliefs? Consider this your passport to a world where meals aren't just about sustenance but about creating a positive impact. The essence lies in the absence of animal products, distinguishing veganism from vegetarianism. It's a conscious decision to exclude not only meat but also dairy, eggs, and other animal-derived ingredients from your plate. But here's the magic. Far from being restrictive, a vegan diet opens doors to a vast array of flavors and cuisines. From vibrant salads to hearty stews and decadent desserts, the possibilities are endless. Get ready to embark on a culinary adventure where every bite is a statement of compassion and care. As we delve deeper into the realms of veganism, stay tuned for practical tips, delicious recipes, and the empowering journey that awaits you in the vibrant world of the vegan diet. Ready to savor the richness of plant-powered living? Let's dive in. Let's discuss health benefits of a vegan diet. Now, let's unveil the captivating realm of health benefits that accompany your journey into veganism. Ever imagined a lifestyle where your plate becomes a powerhouse of well-being, contributing to not just personal health but the greater good of the planet? Picture this. Weight management takes center stage. A vegan diet, rich in fiber and low in saturated fats, becomes a secret ally in your quest for a healthy weight. But that's just the beginning. Lowering the risk of chronic diseases is where the magic unfolds. Studies suggest that embracing a plant-based lifestyle may reduce the risk of heart disease, hypertension, and certain cancers. Consider the nutrient-rich tapestry you'll be weaving with every plant-based meal. Vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber become your allies, nourishing your body at a cellular level. Ever envisioned a diet that not only fuels your energy but also boosts your overall well-being? And here's the kicker. Enhanced nutrient intake becomes your daily reality. Plant-based diets are often brimming with vitamins like C and E, along with essential minerals such as potassium and magnesium. It's a holistic approach that supports not just your physical health but also your mental clarity and vitality. So, if you've ever wondered about the transformative power of a vegan diet on your health and the world around you, stay tuned. We're about to unravel the layers of well-being that await you on this plant-powered journey. Ready to nourish your body, mind, and spirit? Let's explore the incredible health benefits of embracing a vegan lifestyle together. Let's talk about getting started with a vegan diet. Now that the allure of a healthier, plant-based lifestyle beckons, let's embark on the practical journey of getting started with a vegan diet. Imagine your kitchen transforming into a vibrant haven where vegetables, fruits, and grains take the spotlight. Consider this your vegan toolkit, essential pantry and fridge staples. Picture shelves adorned with colorful legumes, quinoa, nuts, and an array of fresh produce. These are the building blocks of your plant-powered adventure. But the transition doesn't have to be daunting. It's about making mindful choices. Ever thought about the art of grocery shopping and meal planning? Visualize the excitement of exploring the aisles, discovering new plant-based treasures. Meal planning becomes a delightful adventure as you envision a week filled with nourishing, cruelty-free delights. Think about the joy of creating shopping lists brimming with wholesome ingredients that align with your newfound lifestyle. Plant-based protein sources become your allies. Imagine a world where beans, lentils, tofu, and tempeh not only satisfy your taste buds but also fuel your body with essential nutrients. Consider this your invitation to explore the diverse world of vegan protein, discovering delicious alternatives to animal-derived options. So, if you're curious about the practical side of transitioning to a vegan diet, stay tuned. We're about to unfold the secrets of building a vegan-friendly kitchen, navigating the grocery store with ease, and crafting simple yet delectable plant-based meals. Ready to make your kitchen a haven of plant-powered goodness? Let's embark on this culinary journey together. Let's talk crafting balanced vegan meals. As you navigate the enchanting world of a vegan diet, the art of crafting balanced meals takes center stage. Ever envisioned a plate that not only delights your taste buds but also nourishes your body with a symphony of nutrients? Picture this. The key to a well-rounded vegan meal lies in the harmonious balance of macronutrients and micronutrients. Visualize your plate as a canvas where vibrant colors represent an array of vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and plant-based proteins. It's a masterpiece that fuels your body and indulges your senses. Consider the magic of variety. Imagine a culinary adventure where each meal introduces a new spectrum of flavors, textures, and nutritional benefits. Think about the joy of experimenting with different fruits, vegetables, legumes, and grains to create meals that tantalize your taste buds and provide a spectrum of essential nutrients. And here's the beauty. Creating flavorful and satisfying vegan dishes is not about restriction, it's about exploration. Picture yourself experimenting with herbs, spices, and plant-based sauces that elevate your meals to a culinary masterpiece. It's not just about what you exclude from your plate, it's about the abundance of flavors you invite in. So, if you're curious about the secrets of crafting balanced and delightful vegan meals, stay tuned. We're about to unravel the art of creating meals that not only meet your nutritional needs but also celebrate the richness and diversity of plant-powered living. Ready to transform your meals into a feast of well-being? Let the culinary exploration continue. Here's an example of a delicious meal. Imagine a plate adorned with a vibrant Buddha bowl, a perfect embodiment of the diverse and delicious possibilities in the world of vegan cuisine. In the center, a generous portion of fluffy quinoa acts as the nourishing foundation, its subtle nuttiness providing a satisfying base. Surrounding it, an array of colorful vegetables, crisp kale leaves, roasted sweet potatoes, and cherry tomatoes burst with flavor and vital nutrients. Picture morsels of perfectly seasoned tofu, golden and lightly crispy, nestled among the veggies, adding a satisfying protein punch. Drizzle a zesty tahini dressing over the bowl, creating a harmonious symphony of tastes that dance on your palate. This vegan masterpiece not only pleases the senses but also showcases the diversity and richness that plant-based eating can bring to your dining experience. Overcoming challenges, we all have them. Embarking on a vegan journey is an empowering choice, but let's acknowledge the challenges that might appear on this plant-powered path. Ever wondered how to navigate social situations where animal products often take center stage? Picture this. You, confidently and compassionately, communicating your dietary choices amidst a sea of mixed menus. Consider the scenario of managing cravings for non-vegan delights. Imagine a world where plant-based snacks become your go-to, satisfying those moments of longing with delectable, cruelty-free alternatives. It's not about deprivation. It's about discovering the vast array of vegan treats that delight your taste buds. And here's the key: exercise flexibility. Think about a journey where occasional indulgences don't derail your commitment but become part of the learning curve. Ever envisioned a lifestyle where your vegan choices coexist seamlessly with social connections and occasional culinary adventures? Navigating workouts during the fasting hours brings its own set of challenges. Picture yourself discovering the perfect synergy between your exercise routine and fasting schedule. It's not about restriction but about aligning your physical activity with your energy levels during fasting periods. So, if you're intrigued by the prospect of overcoming challenges on your vegan journey, stay tuned. We're about to unravel practical solutions, empowering you to navigate social events, conquer cravings, and seamlessly integrate veganism into various aspects of your life. Ready to turn challenges into stepping stones on your plant-powered adventure? Let's conquer them together and make the vegan lifestyle a source of strength and joy. Vegan recipes for beginners. Now, Let's dive into the heart of the vegan experience, the culinary delights that await you in this plant-powered journey. Imagine your kitchen transformed into a canvas where each dish tells a story of compassion, creativity, and, most importantly, incredible flavors. Picture this: a simple yet hearty chickpea and vegetable curry bubbling away on the stove. Visualize the vibrant colors of bell peppers, carrots, and spinach blending harmoniously with aromatic spices, creating a feast for the senses. It's a dish that not only satisfies your hunger but also introduces you to the versatility of plant-based cooking. Consider the joy of crafting a quinoa and black bean salad, a refreshing bowl of goodness that combines protein-packed quinoa with the earthy richness of black beans, tossed with juicy cherry tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, and a zesty lime dressing. It's a culinary symphony that showcases the simplicity and deliciousness of vegan ingredients. And here's the beauty: vegan desserts that rival their non-vegan counterparts. Imagine indulging in a decadent avocado chocolate mousse, where the creamy texture of ripe avocados combines with the sweetness of dates and the richness of cocoa. It's a guilt-free pleasure that demonstrates the delightful possibilities of plant-based sweets. So, if you're curious about the delectable world of vegan recipes, stay tuned. We're about to unfold simple yet mouthwatering dishes that cater to beginners, proving that transitioning to a vegan lifestyle doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. Ready to explore the culinary wonders of plant-based cooking? Let the vegan recipes for beginners tantalize your taste buds and inspire your kitchen adventures. Vegan lifestyle beyond diet. As your culinary journey unfolds, let's expand the lens beyond the kitchen, into the broader realm of the vegan lifestyle. Imagine a world where your choices extend beyond your plate, creating a positive impact on the planet, animals, and even your daily lifestyle. Consider this: cruelty-free products and ethical considerations become the guiding stars of your lifestyle. Picture your bathroom adorned with vegan-friendly beauty products, free from animal testing and filled with nourishing plant-based ingredients. It's a conscious step toward aligning your personal care choices with your values. Visualize your wardrobe transforming into a haven of ethical fashion. Ever pondered the joy of donning clothes and accessories crafted from sustainable, cruelty-free materials? It's not just about what you wear. It's a statement about supporting practices that respect both the environment and the beings inhabiting it. And here's the takeaway: making eco-conscious choices isn't a burden but an empowering journey. Think about the simple switches, like opting for cruelty-free household items and sustainable alternatives. It's about fostering a lifestyle where each decision, from the beauty products you use to the clothes you wear, aligns with your commitment to kindness and sustainability. So, if you're eager to explore the holistic embrace of a vegan lifestyle beyond the plate, stay tuned. We're about to unravel the enriching possibilities that await you in the realms of cruelty-free fashion, eco-conscious living, and ethical choices that extend far beyond the kitchen. Ready to make your entire lifestyle a reflection of compassion and sustainability? Let's embark on this transformative journey together. Common misconceptions about veganism. Several misconceptions surround veganism, often stemming from incomplete information or preconceived notions. Here are some common misconceptions about veganism. 1. Lack of protein. One prevalent myth is that it's challenging for vegans to get enough protein. In reality, various plant-based sources such as beans, lentils, tofu, quinoa, and nuts offer ample protein. 2. Nutrient deficiencies. Some believe that a vegan diet lacks essential nutrients like B12, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids. While these nutrients are predominantly found in animal products, vegans can obtain them through fortified foods and supplements. 3. Bland and limited food options. Contrary to the belief that vegan meals are dull and restrictive, a plant-based diet opens up a world of diverse and flavorful options. Fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, and spices provide a broad spectrum of tastes and textures. 4. Vegan diets are expensive. It's a misconception that veganism is only for those with high disposable incomes. In reality, many affordable staples like rice, beans, lentils, and seasonal produce form the foundation of a vegan diet. 5. Lack of energy and weakness. Some assume that eliminating animal products results in fatigue or weakness. However, when a vegan diet is well planned, it can provide ample energy and support overall health. 6. Vegans cannot build muscle. Another myth is that it's difficult for vegans to build muscle. With proper nutrition and a well-designed workout routine, vegans can meet their protein and caloric needs for muscle development. 7. All vegans are extremely thin. While weight loss can be a result of adopting a vegan diet, it's not a universal outcome. Vegans, like anyone else, can have diverse body types based on factors such as genetics, lifestyle, and dietary choices. 8. Veganism is only about diet. Veganism extends beyond food choices to encompass a lifestyle that avoids the use of animal products in clothing, cosmetics, and other areas. Some people think it's solely a dietary choice. Addressing these misconceptions is essential for promoting a better understanding of veganism and encouraging informed choices based on accurate information. In closing, the vegan journey is not merely a shift in diet, it's a transformative lifestyle embracing compassion and sustainability. As we dispel myths and celebrate the richness of plant-powered living, remember, veganism extends beyond the plate, influencing beauty choices, fashion preferences, and ethical considerations. Let's embrace this holistic lifestyle, debunk misconceptions, and create a world where our choices align with a compassionate ethos. Your journey into veganism is an empowering adventure. Make it vibrant, informed, and filled with purpose. Ready to embark on this journey? Join the movement towards a compassionate and sustainable future. Start your vegan adventure today.